Hey, hello, Marcus and Jules. Look, Popo is working in the garden and he's doing some repair on the deck. And look what he's got, a drill. Show him the drill and use the drill to make a hole for the nails. And so what we've done is taken out this rotten board, and so now Popo's gonna drill a hole. And now he's gonna put some nails in there, so with a hammer. See, that's kind of how it works. All right.
Another one nail and another two nails. Straighten them up.
Okay, and now
we go bang.
All right, there's one.
One
more.
Another two. One.
Oh, good job, Popo. Give yourself a clap.